Everyone wants to look their best, but more importantly, we want to feel good about ourselves. It's a desire that led Americans to spend $13 billion last year alone on cosmetic enhancement.
Well, I think part of the increased prevalence you're seeing in cosmetic procedures can be due to the fact that more and more Americans are viewing these type of operations through the various types of media and more accepting of these type of operations.
And with the number of surgical procedures increasing 142% in the last 10 years, it's evident that plastic surgery can offer more than just physical benefits.
Most of these patients have afterwards increased sense of self-esteem or self-worth, which can let them gain more confidence in dealing with the challenges they may face in their life.
And today, with more and more procedures available to address virtually every concern, patients can have as little or as much done as they feel necessary to improve their appearance.
Some of the most common cosmetic surgical procedures performed today by plastic surgeons include breast augmentation with or without breast lift, liposuction, and tummy tucks. As far as non-invasive procedures, the most common thing would probably be Botox, followed by your dermal fillers, which include products such as Restylane, Radius, and Juvederm.
I decided to have a cosmetic procedure done to feel better about myself. I had a breast reduction done because I wanted to wear cute little t-shirts that everybody else was wearing. I also had a tummy tuck, and because there's only so many sit-ups you can do before you need to turn to a surgeon for some help. And that's what I did, and I'm really happy I did. I feel a lot better.
Experts such as California plastic surgeon Dr. Howard Hu agree that when considering plastic surgery, it is vital to thoroughly research every physician and have a clear understanding of what a procedure can and cannot accomplish.
I would encourage any patient to take an active role in their operation, research the risk and parameters involved with the procedure. This can include researching the surgeon to make sure he or she is properly trained for the procedure, where is the surgery going to take place at to make sure the surgery center is properly accredited, what type of anesthesia the surgery is going to undergo, and make sure the anesthesiologist is properly accredited as well.
When performed in a safe and caring environment with each individual patient's best interest in mind, cosmetic surgery holds the potential to positively change patients' lives.
I think the primary goal of any plastic surgeon should be to meet and fulfill a patient's goals. This can be done by carefully going over the patient to set proper realistic expectations, and on the surgeon's part by selecting patients where such expectations can be met. In the surgical setting, the surgery should be done in a safe, controlled environment to allow for the best possible outcome.
Valencia Plastic Surgery knows that when it comes to something as important as yourself, you need to trust the best. That's why founder Dr. Howard Hu has dedicated his life to providing patients with the most comprehensive and caring aesthetic and reconstructive surgery care.
I think as a plastic surgeon, comprehensive care begins the moment the patient arrives at your door. This means making the patient feel as comfortable as possible, discussing with the patient what their goals are, and helping them to meet realistic expectations. In the operating room, we want to try to minimize risk while maximize a positive outcome for the patient. And post-operatively, we continue our comprehensive care for the patient by continuing to visit with them out to a year following surgery.
Providing for the needs of Santa Clarita and the surrounding region, Valencia Plastic Surgery's team of professionals specializes in procedures ranging from all types of body contouring to facial surgery, breast augmentation, lifts and reductions, as well as superior skincare services, all with an emphasis on the patient first.
My practice mainly specializes in cosmetic procedures such as breast augmentation, liposuction, tummy tucks, facelifts. However, we also delve into reconstructive operations such as post-gastric bypass procedures, cancer reconstruction, trauma reconstruction following accidents.
My experience at Valencia Plastic Surgery was amazing. When you're having cosmetic surgery done, you're very vulnerable as it is, and everybody there just made you feel so comfortable, not to mention the wonderful work that Dr. Hu did. I'm very happy with it.
Recognized as a Physician of the Year in 2004, Dr. Hu is known for his incredible attention to detail as well as his patients' high rate of satisfaction. His commitment to controlling quality and care is what led him to create Valencia Plastic Surgery.
I opened my own practice because I wanted to have direct control over the type and quality of care I provide for my patients. When I was in a larger group setting, I often didn't have to spend enough time with my patients, both preoperatively and postoperatively. I didn't have access either to the type of equipment that I always wanted that I can now order in my own practice. Ultimately, though, my goal is to provide the highest quality care I can for my patients, and I can do that best when I have control of all aspects of the practice.
To find out how Valencia Plastic Surgery can change your life, contact them today or visit valenciasurgery.com.